Hi, I'm Day Wilson, and I'm the author of A Baker's Field Guide to Donuts. Donuts are so hot right now, whether you're making them at home or buying them at the store. And making a birthday cake out of donuts is a new trend, and it couldn't be simpler. So of course, we're going to need donuts, and it's simply a matter of assembling them into a shape. So one of the things I think that's important is just picking out a really pretty display plate, because it's just going to make it that much more special. Now I have a bunch of vanilla frosted donuts here. I chose them for a couple reasons. First of all, I think that the confetti sprinkles is really festive and sort of birthday looking. And also I really like the contrast between the color of the donut and the color of the white glaze. And you'll see as we build this donut birthday cake, it's all going to come together. So depending on the size of your plate, you're just going to start putting the donuts so that they're touching around the perimeter. And depending on the diameter of your plate, you're going to use more or less. I'm going to have one in the center as well. So this is really not about baking, it's about just creating something really fun and festive in a really easy way using donuts, which people love. So I'm going to make a ring with one in the center, and now I'm going to make a slightly smaller layer. So you're just going to make the next layer, you're going to just start a little more in towards the center, and you'll be using fewer donuts. And it doesn't matter how many you use, you're just going to figure out as you go. And it's all going to depend on the size plate that you have to begin with. So definitely get at least 2 dozen donuts, so that if you have a few extra, that's fine, but you don't want to run out of donuts. You want to be able to construct the tower exactly the way you want it. No birthday cake is complete without candles. These are just a really long, elegant candle. I think that they will look great here. And I'm not going by the number of, I'm not trying to match the birthday person's age. I'm just going for looks. How about a white one right on top? We light them. And then of course, just to serve it, I mean, really the idea here is that each person gets their own donut. So I would say have some tongs to serve it. You don't have to cut into them. So you can see how easily that came together. And of course, I use these vanilla frosted donuts. You could use whatever flavor you want. In fact, you could do a combo flavors if you wanted. That way, if someone likes chocolate, they can get chocolate. If somebody wants a glaze, they can get a glazed. One more on top. There it is. And there you are, a donut birthday cake that your special birthday person will not soon forget. You just need a beautiful display plate, some donuts, and these elegant tapers will just make it really, really special. There's plenty of donut recipes in my book, A Baker's Field Guide to Donuts, and you can find more recipes at bakepedia.com, the baker's resource. And happy birthday.